raised a question about the situation when I brought up the statement that regarding to high professional engineering company. And as I stated, as we look around our city of Florida, we can see lots of empty and dilapidated structures, potential asbestos and lead-based paint issues, and the need for general improvement in our city and the infrastructure and such. And so you all have given me the go-ahead to bring the architectural engineer in to
We
find
just
out.
told you to get some information and some prices.
Well-
We did not tell you could do it.
Well, exactly. So, but to say to that, the individual is here. So, Mr.
Here we
James,
go.
would you please come down and introduce yourself and bring what you have with you, please?
All right, good evening, Mayor and Council. It's so nice to meet with you guys. This is I'd like to give you guys some information about my company.
And I'm sure you have the quotes and whatever.
I have some information there.
Okay, thank you so much. This page, read it.
Okay, my
Did you have the one available for the attorney, an additional?
All right, I get,
If you like, I mean, you know about your own company.
okay, yeah, again, my name is Samuel James. I'm from Macon, President and CEO of Sika Environmental and Management Company. We've been around about since 1997, and we provide environmental engineering and architectural services. Suddenly, I understand that, like, a small city may not have all the technical expertise to handle a lot of the services, and that's where we come in. For example, you have dilapidated buildings, and before you demolish it, the state law requires that you conduct a survey before you do that. And some folks make the mistake of going ahead and demolish it without actually following the procedures. And when they do that, they get into trouble with the state. And that's where we can come in to help you do the assessments and make sure that you are compliant with the regulatory requirements. We provide engineering services. Architectural services. As I said, we've been doing this thing for a while. Several cities we provided services to, including the city of Macon. Right now, my company, Seka, with Boland North Bailey, is working on the expansion of Vals Road and the connection of Service Church Road between I-16 and 75. These are technical engineering work that we also can bring the expertise to help the city of Bailey. We are providing similar services for the Hall County, North Carolina, where we assist them in the blight, ensuring that they comply with the assessments and the demolition and removal of their blight. So the information you have gives you an overall general overview of our company and what we do, and certainly we would like to provide services to the city of Gordon. We're not far from you, we're Macon, and that means we can readily respond to your needs in any areas you may need our services. I think I'd like to be that brief, so if you have any question as you review that later on, if you'd like us to come back, we'll come and ask any questions.
What about monies to do these projects like, projects tearing down the old houses and all? See, that's the problem that we've had for many, many years. We do not have the monies to go in and do it because you have to go through the court system. The way we do it, we have a plan in place, in our zoning ordinance and everything, that we can bring them into court, give them so many days to correct it, and if they don't correct it, then the city can actually take the property, legally through the court systems and everything, and then it becomes ours. But then, what are we gonna do? I mean, we can't afford to tear it down and dispose of it, in the correct manner. That's what's been a stymie point for us for years.
Well, that's very understandable. I think that's the same problem that other cities have, like Hall County. So, of course, we don't bring the money to do it, we help you do it. So, I mean, like the city of Macon, they passed kind of a bond to get money to handle their blight. So, Because as far as getting the money, it is the city that comes up with the money. However, you come up with it, either getting the owner to take care of the blight, or the owner doesn't do it, you take care of it. But we can come in and help you and make sure it's properly taken care of.
Do we have grant money or SPOS money that we can use to, that you might can help us get, something like this?
Well, we might be able to assist in looking for some areas where those resources will be there, because that is not our primary areas. Certainly, we can make some inquiries and assist in looking for the financing available. But again, primarily, that is not our area. Our area of expertise to come and help you take care of the technical and engineering problems. All right.
How many employees do you have?
Well, we have about 10 employees.
Once these buildings is torn down, you dispose of the material?
That's correct. Of course, before they are torn down, they have to be tested. I mean, for example, if you want to tear this building down, you have to get an environmental specialist to test it, which we do. And then you have to have a licensed abatement contractor to come and remove any asbestos that can be discovered, which we also
Y'all
do.
don't not know whether or not this building is asbestos.
Wouldn't have any idea, to be honest. I wouldn't think it probably did because, it was not built during the time when they were using so much. It's really, really old, but it probably went through the period before they did use that stuff, mostly brick and wood.
Well, sometimes, for example, I mean, like the floor tile.
Sure, some of that is, right?
Yeah, sometimes, with the mastic or whatever. The joint compounds, you have ceiling material, to the insulation material.
So would you being an engineer, you can just look at it and tell, or?
Send it off and have it tested.
Well, not really. There are some you can look at based on experience. Okay, this may have it, but then we'll collect samples, send it to the lab, and the lab has to analyze it, get back the result, and then we can tell for sure that it has it or doesn't.
So once again, your question was, is there money available, Councilwoman Brooke? Is that what I heard you asking?
Yeah, because it seems like we have a problem with the money. So that's three things. But you are gonna allow us a little time to look at this?
Absolutely, absolutely.
Y'all in agreement with that, council, to look it over and consider
Yeah,
that?
let's look it over, yeah, we'll